If someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, and if it deletes them before you see that messages, there is a very secret way to see the deleted message. And that's what I'm gonna share here in this video, so let's go. First go to your phone settings, and now scroll down a little bit. And now click on notifications. Now click on advanced settings. Now click on notification history. By default, this notification history will be turned off on your phone. So first turn it on. And now after turning on this notification history option, if someone sends you a message on WhatsApp, and if it deletes them before you see that messages, you can see them easily. So now I'm gonna show you live how can you see that. First, see here, there are two WhatsApp on my phone. This one is normal WhatsApp and this one is WhatsApp business. So first open this WhatsApp, and now I'm gonna search my own number. And now I'm gonna send some messages. Now you can see there are double ticks. I mean all the messages have been sent. And now I'm gonna delete these messages. Delete from everyone. Now these messages have been deleted. Now go back, and now I'm gonna open the WhatsApp business. See, this message was deleted. Now to see these deleted messages, go to your phone settings. Click on notifications. Now click on advanced settings. And now click on notification history, and now all the deleted messages will be displayed here, right? And this is a secret way to see the deleted WhatsApp messages. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel.